Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 10.25-inch Android screen in the Mercedes C-Class 2008 to 2010, and also we are doing our BMW Qualcomm in a BMW 3 Series cutting dash. That's where we mount our universal lip mount. And that's how the bracket mounts. This is our latest iNav screen with the round corner blue screen. 1920 by 720 resolution. Right now I'm doing wireless CarPlay with it. It's fully touch. We can use Google Maps. We can use Waze. And also we can play songs, like let's say through Spotify. And it shows the logo of the song as well. And by clicking on Mercedes logo, it goes back to main menu. And the backup camera with dynamic parking guideline. And by clicking on NTG mode, it goes back to the factory command system. And again, by touching the screen, it goes to the aftermarket mode. Apps are here. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.